What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to cash money app to your bank transfer. So that is pretty easy and I'm gonna show you in easy steps how to do it properly. So let's jump into the video and see what we can do about it. So first thing is so you can withdraw your cash app balance to your link method payment method to withdraw money in the application. Follow these simple steps. Number one is tap the Money tab on your Cash app, then press withdraw, then choose an amount, then select the transfer speed, then confirm your PIN or Touch ID. You can also withdraw money online. Log into your Cash app account on your web browser. On the left leg, click Money and click Withdraw under your cash balance. So this is how you're gonna do it. Let me zoom out so you guys can see it properly. So this is how you're gonna do it. Go to the money and select the money, then go to the cash out, select the amount that you want to cash out, and then select the payment method. That could be instant fee. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.